is an Srt-4 Stage 3 clutch install.
Fun on the weekend.
So in the process of taking the throttle body out, pipe removed from the turbo, battery tray removed, process of dropping the transmission.
Let me see that because I want to show them underneath here. It's important. Alright guys, real quick here, I don't know if you could see. You have the lower intercooler pipe here that actually runs back from the turbo. Okay, this actually has to be removed. And with it being a hard pipe, it is a little bit of a bitch to get this out over here. So you pretty much have to twist it to bring it down. You also have these coolant lines here. They actually hold the pipe and the lines here. That all has to be removed in order for you to move this out of the way. Now for some of you who have read up on this, and reason you need to take the throttle body off of this is you actually have two bolts here that hold the starter in. And there's really not an easy way of getting them out without removing that throttle body. I mean, you can sit here and try to fight with it. This one, it looks like it's already been removed. Somebody decided to use RVT instead of the actual gasket. Nice job. So we'll keep posting and let you know the progress on how this all goes. I know this is very popular with this type of car because this does have the known problems, especially the grinding from second to third gear. We'll post more in a little bit.
Alright guys, we're back again. Well, we finally got the transmission out, got the stock clutch out. As you can see, the throwout bearing is shit. New throwout bearing. We got a new clutch fork. I mean, you can see the wear on it right there. Just a little FYI, if you guys are ever going to do this, I would highly, highly recommend getting the clutch fork, especially since you already have it out. Got the Stage 3 Clutch Master clutch right here with the flywheel. It's already put together, but you're definitely going to have to take it apart.
Alright guys, so just real quick, the new Stage 3 clutch already comes pre-assembled. It has the flywheel bolted to the clutch. Now with this, you cannot take the aftermarket flywheel off and use the Stage 3 clutch with the old flywheel. The flywheel is going to have to be removed. You see there's that whole lovely little cluster of bolts here. Now when you do take these off, just be aware, it's nice to have two people here. Somebody to hold the crank on the other side. As you can see right here, that's what you want to hold down, so that way the flywheel doesn't spin when you're going to take the flywheel nuts off. It's also very important, Google it, you need to know the specifications, your torque specs, when you put the new flywheel on. That is a crucial component. If they're not torqued correctly, you can end up ruining everything that you have just done today. The next video that we're going to do is we're going to show you how to replace the third gear shift selector that's actually in the top part of the transmission, because there's a specific way that you have to do this. The pins only come out one way, so we'll do that on the next video. But just so you know, I mean, this is definitely very bad. And this is going to hinder your performance down the line, especially if you decide to put any power adders onto this thing. Just make sure that when you do get your Stage 3 clutch, you do have everything in here. You want to make sure you have your alignment tool. You want to make sure that you do have the new throwout bearing. That's very important. Again, this is just preventative maintenance. Most people put a clutch in here and not put the new shift fork in here. You're kind of wasting your time. You end up doing it again. So, all right, we'll talk to you on the next video.